made it to Colorado City and back with the Can-Am, and I just got another call from Candle Motorsports, and I guess they've got another one down there that sounds like it needs to be towed out of there. So Becky went and grabbed the trailer and the chair yoke, and we're gonna run out there and grab that. It's down in a big old wash bottom. I call it the Grandview Wash. Somebody else might call it the Short Creek Wash or the Short Creek Wash, depends on what part of the country you're from. We're gonna get up the road and hopefully drop down in that wash and load that thing up with no problems. See if we can get it back over to their shop and let them work over the motor, and we will take you along for the ride. All right, well, we're back out in Colorado City again. We got the first machine back and got it partly tore down at the shop, and hopefully by the time we get back, Dustin will have the other machine put back together and get those guys back out on the trail again tomorrow. So it's been a busy day today. wash there and winch this thing up on the trailer, and man, that was some soft wash bottom. It was almost bottomless, but we were able to get out of there with a little bit of rev limiter and low range and keeping our momentum up. We'll get this thing back to town, and hopefully they can get her put back together and get a new engine put in it to rebuild this one. Had quite the day today. We're still going at it. We got the side-by-side that had been crashed out to Colorado City all pieced back together and sent them guys packing. They're headed down the road, and they'll be able to go ride tomorrow. And now I'm taking the other one back to Candle Motorsports in St. George to drop it off. So we had a good day today. It's probably about close to 7 o'clock, so we'll have a good 12-hour day, whatever you want to call it. So never ends. I'm sure we'll have something tonight, and got some plans in the morning to meet with some folks, and I'm gonna do a little film and some shooting for a local TV show called At Your Leisure. And so we're gonna get out there with those guys and kind of give them a tour around Hurricane and show them a good place to eat and a good place to check out the history and a few things like that. So we'll give you a shout out when that's going to post up on the web, and you guys can get on and check that out. But thanks for coming along for the ride, and I sure appreciate all the support, and we will catch you on the next one. Yeah, a little bit of smoke. Ha 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 ha.